Hey folks, how y'all doing? Been a while since I did a video, probably since back in the summer. But anyway, this is doing a video of my rain gauge, the Accurite, with lightning detection. I didn't get anything fancy, just for the hunting cabin, so I can check rain. So when we do have rain, because a lot of times we'll have rain at our house, and this is like a mile and a half or a mile through the woods from my house, and I just want to make sure. Believe it or not, we got rain over our house and didn't get any rain over here. That way I can always check and record. But this was a dog because this had a plug-in AC adapter. I know it sounds easy enough, but I had to go through a lot of rigmarole to get it to work and hook up, without running inverters. So I'll show you what I did and all that good stuff for doing an off-grid weather station. All right, now we're going to fold you around here, and here she is. I got the model number in there too, and I'll put all the links to the stuff that I did. And I made my own post. I painted a John Deere yellow on I got it right at 4 foot off the ground, which should be the temperature sensor and the rain gauge, and I got it on the north side of the building so it won't get too hot, and it's far enough away from the building. Plus it's protected, no one can drive into it or nothing like that. But yeah, but here's the temperature sensor and lightning detector, Accurite. That takes 4 AA batteries. I got rechargeable lithium ion batteries in there. And the same with the rain gauge. And it's self-emptying. So it's pretty easy to get to. And you see the light just blinked. That means we got a signal. All right, let me take you inside here. Let you show what's going on. But yeah, we just one of them things I wanted to do. I'm gonna put my CNI glasses on here. Walk up into here to the cabin. Got all the comforts on. No air conditioning. But I got radio, stereo, this and that. Radio right there. And I got the TV. And I only turn that on when I turn the inverter on. But here is the weather station. Let me turn some lights on. Well, I don't need lights. But here you see open the door, I have more lighting. Yeah, it gives a lot more lighting. But right here we can see how many. 13.9. This is battery voltage. Load amps 0.3. Wow, okay, there we go. That's better. 13.9. Solar amps. Load amp 0. So I got it in my Morningstar ProStar charge controller. I got it on the load side. So it's not running very much. But let me turn the light on. I got it manual set up. That way it's pretty easy. These are Utility Tech Pros from Lowe's. I remember how to turn these puppies on. Great day. Oh, there we go. Wow. That's bright. Let me turn the other one on too. So we got more light in here. There's a TV I mounted up there. And all that good stuff. Now we got lights. It's getting cloudy out there, y'all. Looks like it's going to be about ready to rain. But anyway, got 2 Deep Cycle batteries. AC Delco. AGM 24 series. And they do a good job just for lights and that kind of stuff. And there's my 50 amp breaker for my 350 watt Samlex inverter. I got a Bestech pure sine wave. That one's actually quieter than the Samlex. That thing is noisy. But good inverter. I ain't taking nothing away from it. But this thing is quiet to T. It's Bestech 300 watt. And I got my breaker box, my baby box, and on the grounds, the whole 9 yards. But anyway, let me show you the power we're bringing in. 13.3 is the battery voltage. We're bringing in 0.4 amps. And anyway, I had to hook this to my load side. Right here it says load. I put some pin connectors up in there. And I got a fuse, 1 amp fuse in here. Inline fuse. Then goes around and goes to this converter box. It's rated up for, it's like on a cell phone, it's like a little a buck converter. There's the things on it. I'm gonna turn some more lights on, y'all. Oh, that's all the lights we got. Oh well. But I'm gonna hold it there. It's supposed to be 12 volt, DC to DC, DC to DC. Oh, there we go. Hang on, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all smacked me. But y'all get it. I'll send you a link below. It's 5 volts, 3 amp max. And that's what you want. Same thing as your cell phone, block charger or USB charger, AC. All right. So I'll send you a link to that. Then it's USB. You can plug. I cut the 110 adapter up and put a USB male end on there, and I got a female in here that plugs in, and that's going from here up to the back of my weather station. And I got 3 AA batteries in the back of here, and it's pretty neat. It worked out pretty good. And here's my heat shrink butt connectors that I used to hook that up with. And I got the rest of the wire stored right back here, kind of out of the way, hidden. But sorry about the lighting. But this is an awesome little weather station. Got a lighting detector on it. It's got the whole 9 yards. And that's the 0.19 just for me moving it back and forth today to get it right. And today's October 12th. And the barometer is steady. So it's good to go. I like it. And that one sensor hadn't cut on yet. The rain gauge sensor. So we'll come back in just a second. I'll show you my solar panel that I'm powering everything. I got a 185 watt solar panel. And it's at a 53-degree angle. Zoom in a little bit. And it makes power out of both sides because it's see-through. I mean, it's clear. It's got a clear film on the back. So it'll make power both directions. That is wild. And in fact, I'll show you that. And I got my ground coming down from my solar racking system down to here. But so you can see through it. So I'll make power in both directions. With the monocrystalline photo cells will catch power from both sides. That's pretty killer, I think. I put this up a couple years ago. But yeah. All right. Let's go in here. See if the rain gauge, I had to reset it. Not getting a signal. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Hey folks, I'm back. This is just a little clip I'm putting in here. But I installed this antenna, I think it was last spring. It's a Winegard amped. I'll put a link on that too, but y'all, that thing gets, I get about 46 channels out here in the middle of nowhere. That thing is powerful. I am not kidding you. There's a close look of it. I'll put a link on that below too. That thing is bad to the bone though. It's a lot of power. It's got a built-in amp. It puts out the power. I got a pointing in direction I need it, and it does a heck of a job. And it's been through a lot of windstorms, and it's still there. All right, folks. Just want to share that with y'all. All take care. All right. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all, we're back. I got it all set up again, and we got signal from both weather stations. There you go, spotter. And it's lightning detections in the center. It says strike today, distance. I'll tell you the distance in miles. Oh, better check that. Let's see. Set. Miles. See, it says miles. And rain gauge inches. We're good to go. But yeah, I mean, it's a great weather station. $88, got it from Amazon, and I'm happy with it. Really happy with it. I like all weather stations at work. I'm a Davis guy by heart, but Accurite and LaCrosse make some good stuff. I'm not gonna knock any company that stands behind a product and it works. That's the main thing. But yeah, I mean, I could not just get a DC adapter. Like I say, I had to get this bad boy right here, and I got it off the wall. In case sometimes these blocks get a little warm. As you notice here, I got a dead airspace underneath of there. Got some nuts, stainless steel nuts, battery bolt nuts, to keep about a ½ inch off of the wall. I mean, I'm sure it don't get any hotter than an inverter, but just in case. And a 1 amp fuse, in case we've got a lightning strike or something happens. Always a good idea. I got a 1 amp fuse in here, inline fuse holder. So it's always a good idea to have that. But anyway, just a, USB. I mean, some of them, I looked on ambient weather, and some of them are got the USB block already in there. So, but that's not the brand I wanted. I wanted this one because it's simple, easy to use, and I didn't want something too expensive. You know what I'm saying, to put out here. And looking to the Davis environmental weather about putting another station over here, but I don't have internet out here. I got 4G, 5G, or 4G LTE, and I had to do the best I had to do, what I had to deal with. But this thing is not burning power. And up here is a button that you can do the settings. Dim it to save power. And you can also do it where it will automatically auto dim at night. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But I'll just set it to the lowest setting so it burns less power. And I can also set it to auto dim too, and it's got alarms on here and this and that. So it's a great weather station. All right, well, folks, this has been a long video. Sorry about that, but I'm going to show you what kind of weather station it is. Here's the model number. It is, let me get some light. It is a model number, weather station, models 0121 and /06047. Sorry, I couldn't get it out. But yeah, nice weather station. But again, y'all, I'll put links below where I got the stuff and how I made it work, and we'll be good to go. All right, well, I got all my voltmeters and all my electrical stuff, my paste, everything in here that, you know. But yeah, here she is, October 12th, and everything is, the sensors are doing the A-OK, and that gives me the temperature. I mean, it's fell since we've been here. It's down to 70 degrees now. And to show you how accurate that barometer is, look at this. Here's a old time. This is I think it's a Springfield. But look at the barometer on that. It's, well, sorry about the glare, y'all, but it's right at 30.1 inches in kilograms. I hope I'm saying that correctly, but yeah, she's dead on. So, yep. So, that's what I got. Off-grid solar station. There she is. Yep, something good to know when you got any rain or anything. The temperatures, what got in here, what I got outside, or what I'm going hunting, or I got something here, you know. I like an old-fashioned weather station instead of relying on a cell phone. I mean, with a display. All right, folks. Well, hey, ooh, that was ugly. But anyway, y'all, hey, thanks for watching my video, and I hope you liked the Accurite weather station, lightning detector, and rain gauge. And y'all have a good one, y'all. Y'all take care. God bless and Semper Fi. Hoorah. Y'all have a good one, y'all. Thanks for watching. All right, now. Bye-bye.